how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Santa Snoopy. It's going to be super easy, simple, and for beginners. Like I said, if you're a beginner, stick around. I'm a huge Peanuts fan and Snoopy fan, so I'm going to draw him as Santa Claus. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, it's only an 8-minute video, so stay all the way to the very end. Also, hit the subscribe if you love learning how to draw Christmas, or if you love learning how to draw like Halloween, because this is a seasonal channel. When you press subscribe and the bell notification, like let's say next year rolls around, well, obviously right now you'll receive Christmas notifications, but next year you'll start seeing, stuff on your feed on how to draw Halloween and how to draw Christmas. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Snoopy's nose. It's really just kind of a ball, more or less. You can like fill it in as well. Go over here. I'm going to draw the beard because he has this like goofy beard. Or we can start with a mustache area of the beard. Go to this far end as well. Underneath. Over here on this side. Down around the edge here. Down around the edge, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the long portion of the beard. This is like the non-Snoopy parts of Snoopy. It's just jaggedy line all the way down. And let's draw the parts of Snoopy now. We're gonna have over here the up, curve down here, and up. Obviously at the top of his snout. Line over here. Line over here for his eyes. I'm gonna curve over here for the hat, the brim of the Christmas hat. Line over here for his under face here, and his ear is gonna come out right here, like this big old teardrop. And fill in that ear. Let's find the edge of the brim of the Christmas hat. We'll do like fluffy there. Over here in the back. And across the top for the brim of that hat. Line over here. Line down. Line down over here for his arm. He's in the Santa suit. Curve line here. And curve line here for the brim of that Santa suit. Or the edge of the I guess the cuff. Like the arm. Sleeve. There you go. Draw on his paw here. Just like 3 little bumps there for his paw. Line in, line up, and there's gonna be a brim to the bottom of this suit, right? Like the main part. It ran into his paw, dang it. There you go, to fix that. Let's go to the top of the hat here. Curve over, down. It's a pretty long hat. Alright. Go over here, up, find the rest of that hat. Circle for the ball at the end of that hat. Let's go down and draw the boots. Down, curve, and there's gonna be another curve over here because he's gonna be his 2 feet are next to each other, pulling up, back in here, and they're gonna make one shape. I noticed. Well, you could do this thing right here where you draw one boot and then you draw like a line there, and you leave that line open, and then filling all this in because we're gonna fill this boot in with our marker because it's black. You could do that and then fill this in. You could do that, or you could literally fill it in as one solid shape too, and that would be fine. Like you can fill that line in. But those are the boots. Let's put in a little bit of color here. Starting to run out of marker here for the red. If anyone wants to donate for markers, that's literally what it's going to go toward. If it was to donate, every marker is about, I think, $3 or so. I mean, there's like tax and stuff, but I'll do all that. But yeah, marker donations would be if you do like this, absolutely do that. Where is my marker? Let's see. Oh yeah, hold on 1 minute. All right, let's go over here, and now we're gonna fill in the red of his outfit just real quick. Thank you so much, by the way. I appreciate you sticking around. You are awesome. Say hi to me or Merry Christmas in the comment section. If you like the way I teach, don't forget, hit the like. When you press like, what it does is it helps the algorithm out for the channel. It lets me know what more to draw, but it also, like it said, spreads this video out a little bit more when you do that for Snoopy Cheer. Otherwise, you can always find me on I have 2 other YouTube channels that are year-long. I'll put the links in the description, and I have full lessons on Skillshare. Skillshare is an awesome site. Basically, I have programs there on how to draw the head and stuff like that. Absolutely go there if you want to learn to draw in general. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. And Merry Christmas, okay? See you. Wait, I forgot one thing. No, I didn't. All right. See you later.